Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start preparing for the GRE step by step. First, understand the GRE structure, including its three main sections: analytical writing, verbal reasoning, and quantitative reasoning. The test takes about 3 hours and 45 minutes to complete. Next, set clear target scores for each section based on the requirements of your prospective graduate programs. Aim for a score that places you comfortably above the average for your chosen field. Now it's time to assess your current abilities. Take a full-length diagnostic GRE practice test under timed conditions. This will give you a baseline score and highlight your strongest and weakest areas. For instance, you might find your verbal reasoning is strong, but quantitative reasoning needs significant work. Based on this, create a personalized study plan, allocating specific days and times for each subject. A typical study period is 8 to 12 weeks. With your plan in place, gather your study resources. Official ETS guides are essential, offering authentic practice questions and 2 full-length computer-delivered tests. Supplement these with high-quality third-party materials for additional practice and strategy. Dedicate at least 1 to 2 hours daily to consistent practice. Remember, the GRE tests critical thinking, so focus on understanding the underlying principles behind each question type. As you approach your test date, it's crucial to review and refine your approach. Regularly revisit challenging topics and track your progress. Take at least 3 to 5 full-length practice tests in the weeks leading up to the exam. This helps build stamina and familiarizes you with the test environment. Analyze your performance on each practice test to identify patterns in your errors and refine your time management strategies for optimal results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.